Welcome to Scorebuddy. My name is Robyn and I'm a senior CSM here at Scorebuddy along with being one of the BI SMEs. The plan for today is to take you through how you can navigate through Scorebuddy's BI tool. Let's begin. Now, let's say we want to build a bar graph. So we come up to our visualization option here, we come down to bar graph and we just click on a vertical bar. So again, we're going to drag and drop as we need to. And what we want in this is we want our score week on the horizontal. Okay. And we want the average percentage score again. So let's go with percentage score on the vertical. So there we go. Now, I won't say it looks the cleanest, but we can change that up. That's perfect. So we have your score weeks and what the average performance was within those weeks. We're just going to make the score week name look a little bit cleaner. So again, what I just did, because you can't see me using my mouse, we right click on the attribute and we come to display attribute forms. And what that does is it just tidies up the formatting of our score week. So next, what we want to do is figure out how we want to color the graph. So we're going to drag and drop the percentage score. And there we go. So we can now see the percentages have changed in color for our visualization. So let's then sort ascending. Again, right clicking on the metric and sort ascending. So we can see that the lower scores are in the lighter blue and the higher scores are in the darker blue. So how do we change this? Because not everybody would understand the blues. Most of us tend to understand the green, amber, and red. So if we come in and right click on the color by option, come into edit thresholds, and we come down to, I'm going to go with tropical jungle for this one, hit apply and okay. There we go. That makes a little bit more sense. We understand red tends to be lower scores and green tends to be higher scores. And then we have our oranges and lighter greens and lighter oranges in between. Again, we are just going to come into the formatting, click on our three dots and rename it. And we are going to say average percentage by week. And that is simply how you can build out your reporting page. So you come into your visualizations, you select on the visualization that is going to be most relevant for the data you want to display. And then you come to your data sets and you can use search bar or you can scroll through whatever is going to be easiest for you. And then you just drag and drop across the board and you will formulate your own grids and graphs.